Welcome back, guys. It's Alon here, and this is for AcornProductions. Now, we've had a interesting turn of events this week. I apologize, it's a few days late. We've actually turned it into a positive for 2024. If you guys recall, honestly, last video we were at 0%, so the portfolio is up 10% since then. It's been quite a turn of events, and honestly, guys, it looks like it's being absolutely carried by Bitcoin and crypto related stuff. The stock market is doing very, very well, and we have possibly some of the other options not doing as well, like Vici, Arbor. Actually, this one's recovered a little bit, but we have anything crypto relating absolutely booming. If you guys didn't know, we have the Bitcoin halving coming up this year, and essentially it's looking very bullish for crypto this year. So if you're not in crypto this year, you should be asking yourself, I guess, why? Do you have something against it? I guess it has its downsides, but remember, we're only exposed 30% to crypto related things, and that's essentially through the direct holdings and then also micro strategies and Coinbase. And to be honest with you guys, it's actually Coinbase and MicroStrategies, the crypto related companies, have actually been doing better than actual direct holdings in crypto. If we have a look here, ETH isn't comparing to Bitcoin, nothing's comparing to Bitcoin, Algo's not doing as well. Now, the idea is if things go absolutely crazy for Bitcoin, Algo and ETH and these smaller ones, the idea is historically they should do much better because they're smaller market cap. So even if less money flows in, comparatively, they should double much more. So that's essentially the idea of holding these and not just having Bitcoin on its own, because best performing asset of the decade, so hard to argue against it. We have Apple not doing so well. Tesla is a main holding that's continually declining, but honestly, I'm liking Tesla. I like what they do. It's a company that I feel like I could sleep at night, and wake up 10 years and still feel comfortable holding it. Not something I need to particularly check too much. I trust the company, I trust the leader, I trust a lot of things about that. Now, I do have actually plans in general for AcornProductions to grow a little bit further into a finance company. So this is really just going to track what we can do, what our performance is, and as I was telling you guys, I really think there's good things coming for us this year. Now, as you can see, we're down 7% and up 10%, and we're only up 2%. So that gap is actually, I believe I was mentioning in previous videos, but that gap is losses are much worse than gains. So because we lost 7%, when we gained 10%, that 10% was on a smaller amount. So that's actually why we're missing 1% there, because if you do the math, you'd think it doesn't make sense, but that's what I was telling you guys in the past, that it's really, really important to mitigate losses. Now, we have a lot of green months here in general, so I'm looking to keep it up. There is a few things in the portfolio that I think I'm going to consider changing, but as I mentioned, guys, I really want to stick to the plan, so there won't be any changes for a month and a half. But I'm potentially toying with the idea of Arbor, but pretty much the reserves, tweaking the reserves to something, I don't know, see what we want to do, I'm still deciding. The chest is good, a lot of the holdings I'm quite happy with. Nvidia is having an absolute crazy performance as well. I can't even fathom that it's up 50% because it's such a big company. So actually a lot of these companies that are quite vanilla tech companies are doing quite well, but they will probably do quite poorly if the market has a recession. But I guess one won't, but tech companies are very, very exposed to that. Now, it is a very brief recap, guys. There's not much to say, but it's been a very, very good week for us. Nothing's changed. I think we're on track for a similar performance, if not better, than next year. And I'll catch you guys all next time. For those that are copying, welcome. For those that are new, welcome as well. I'll see you all next time.